Hey YouTube, Nightprowler here. Anyways, I guess I have a unboxing to do. My very first unboxing. But, well, at least very first unboxing I'm going to do on video. But I ordered, hold on, excuse me for a second. Alright. Bear with me, I'm fucking slightly hungover, so I'm still got a little buzz going. I ordered some stuff from LA Police Gear. So let's see what I got here. Because, I don't know. You guys, look at my fucking sorry ass old boots. Side zip Rockies. 10-inch. But they're dirty and beat the shit, and my feet don't breathe for shit on them. So, I ordered some new see, I got all kinds of shit in here. I like LA Police Gear because I got all kinds of free shit. At least I better have all kinds of free shit in here. Let's see what we got in the box. Ooh. Oh, let me yank that out real quick. You guys don't need to see that. Woo! Check all that goodness out. Sweet. Alrighty, let's see what we got. What we got? Let's do this one at a time. Ooh, sweet. Camelback. I have a couple of these actually, but I don't have one that says LA Police Gear. Sweet. Okay, that's that. Throw that out there. Oh, what else we got in here? What? Eee. Pretty sneezy. Sweet. Badass. Alright. Put that over there. Alright, we'll get to that in a second. What are these? Level 1 shocks, huh? Alright, cool. We should have 3 pairs of those. But I'm only seeing 2. There's supposed to be 3. There's supposed to be 3, but I'm only seeing 2. Where's my 3rd pair? Yeah, that ain't cool. They promised me 3 pairs. Maybe they're in... Oh, I think they screwed me on my 3rd pair of freaking socks. Really? Oh, that's messed up. Probably his supplies were running low, whatever the hell it was. Alright, what's in here? What's in here? Sorry. I know. Video ain't coming out super great, but due to my shitty... Ooh, that's kind of fucking cool. Check this out here. Right there. Fucking all kinds of shit. Yeah. Sweet. Little 511 boot knife. There it is. I guess you would stick it. I don't know. How the fuck you do this? Alright, that's kind of cool. Little backup blade. Have a cool little sheath here. Anyways, there's still more shit in here, so. You know, I'm really disappointed though. Wonder why the hell I didn't get my 3rd pair of socks. Alright, so knife. Alright, with the knife, we'll toss that down here for right now. What do we got? Alright, Tacklight Pros. 34 in the waist, 32 inseam. What's that? Oh, there we go. I ended up getting my TDU belt. See, you can barely see it in there. TDU belt. Sweet. And I should have 3 of those. Yep, 3 black TDU belts and 3 black pairs of 511s. Alright. What do we got? Oh, we got another box. I know, I'm such a douche when it comes to 511 shit. I don't know, I like it. Fuck. Tartec Storms. That was interesting. It's kind of a weird, it's kind of got a weird pattern to it. It's got like, it's weird. It's like, almost like a carbon fiber look to it, but I mean, obviously it isn't. Where's that damn hidden knife pocket? It's supposed to be a little hidden knife pocket here. Oh, there it is. Right there. Sweet. Alright guys, well, that's the crap I ordered from LA Police Gear. A little pissed off that I'm missing a set of socks, because they advertised 3 pairs of socks when you buy boots. So, I'm a little irked about that, you know. I mean, I appreciate getting all this other free shit, that's cool. But, you know, kind of needed socks anyways, and I'm too cheap a bastard to go freaking to go buy socks. So that's cool, but I needed new boots. You guys could see. Oh fuck, I'm still burping up fucking beer. But alright, well, I'm gonna try these on, see how they fit and everything, so now we'll report back to you guys and let you know how they did. Alright? Catch y'all later. Bye.